Let us look at a lesson from Tili Kannada grade 5. The name of the lesson is Navilu. Navilu means peacock. So let us look about the characteristics and details about peacock. ಜುಳು ಜುಳು ಹರಿಯುವ ನದಿ, ಹಚ್ಚ ಹಸಿರಿನ ಮೈದಾನ, ಕರಿ ಮೋಡದ ಅಲೆಗಳು, ತಣ್ಣನೆಯ ಗಾಳಿ, ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಣ್ಣ ಬಣ್ಣ ಕಾಮನಬಿಲ್ಲು, ಜಿನುಗುವ ಸೋನೆ ಮಳೆ. ಆಗ ಹಕ್ಕಿಯೊಂದು ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಚ್ಚಿ ಕುಣಿಯಲು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿತು. ಉದ್ದವಾದ ಗರಿ ಕೆದರಿತು. ಅದು ಬಣ್ಣ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಬೀಸಣಿಗೆಯಂತೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಕತ್ತನ್ನು ಅತ್ತ ಇತ್ತ ತಿರುಗಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದರ ಗರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು. ಅವು ಫಳಫಳ ಹೊಳೆಯುತ್ತಿವೆ. ಅದು ತಖತೈ ಎಂದು ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದರ ಸುಂದರತೆಯನ್ನು ರಂಗು ರಂಗಿನ ತುರಾಯಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದೀ ಹಕ್ಕಿ? ಅದೇ ನವಿಲು ಅಲ್ಲವೇ? So this paragraph, let's first look at the meanings. ಹರಿಯುವ ನದಿ means flowing river. ಹಚ್ಚ ಹಸಿರಿನ ಮೈದಾನ, green plains. ಕರಿ ಮೋಡ is black clouds. ಅಲೆಗಳು is wave. ತಣ್ಣನೆಯ ಗಾಳಿ means cool breeze. ಆಕಾಶ is sky. ಕಾಮನಬಿಲ್ಲು means rainbow. ಜಿನುಗುವ ಸೋನೆ ಮಳೆ means drizzling rain. Continuously drizzling rain. Hakki is bird, rekke is feather, and kuni means to dance. Then bisanikeyante, like a hand fan. Kattu is neck. Saviraru kannugalu means thousands of eyes. Hole is shine and turai is crest. So what this paragraph is trying to tell is, usually peacocks, they come out and dance when it is about to rain. Usually during the rain you can see peacocks dancing. So this first paragraph is explaining the climate and the atmosphere, after which the peacock comes out, opens its feather and it dances. So julu julu hariyuva nadi means a river which is flowing. Julu julu is just an expression of how the river is flowing. It's just a sound how the river flows. Then haccha hasirina maidana, green plains. Kari modada ale. So there are waves of black clouds. This happens only when it is raining or it is about to rain. So there is waves of black clouds. Tannaneya gali, there is cool breeze. So there is waves of black clouds, there is cool breeze, you can hear a river flowing, and there is green plains. Then in the sky, akashadalli banna bannada kamanabillu, you can see colorful rainbow in the sky. Jinuguva sone male, and a continuously drizzling rain. During this kind of a climatic condition, ಆಗ ಹಕ್ಕಿಯೊಂದು ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಚ್ಚಿ ಕುಣಿಯಲು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿತು. One bird, it opened its feathers and it started to dance. ಉದ್ದವಾದ ಗರಿ ಕೆದರಿತು. It had very long feathers. ಅದು ಬಣ್ಣ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಬೀಸಣಿಗೆಯಂತೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿದೆ. That feathers, they look like a colorful hand fan. ಕತ್ತನ್ನು ಅತ್ತ ಇತ್ತ ತಿರುಗಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ, and it is moving its neck. It's shaking its neck this side and that side. ಅದರ ಗರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳಿವೆ, and in those feathers, the feathers of that bird, there are thousands of eyes. So if you see here, like I am circling it here, look at this. You can see all these things in the feathers, they look like a eye. So thousands of such eyes are there in its feathers. ಆಗ ಅವು ಫಳಫಳ ಹೊಳೆಯುತ್ತಿವೆ. they are shining so nicely. ಅದು ತಕತೈ ಎಂದು ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಿದೆ, and the bird is dancing. ಅದರ ಸುಂದರತೆಯನ್ನು ರಂಗು ರಂಗಿನ ತುರಾಯಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಿದೆ, and the beauty of this bird is increased because of its crest. Turai means crest. See, you can see a beautiful design, feather, small feather like here. This is the crest of the bird. So that is also making it look very beautiful. Yavudi hakki ade navilu allave. What bird is this? Which bird dances in the when it rains? Which bird has beautiful feathers which opens up like a hand fan? So it is a peacock. So this is a peacock. The bird which is dancing here is the peacock. Now let us look at more details about peacock. ನವಿಲನ್ನು ಮಯೂರ ಶಿಖಿ ಸಹಸ್ರಾಕ್ಷ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನವಿಲು ಗರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಳಪುಳ್ಳ ಕಣ್ಣಿದೆ. ಅದು ಹಸಿರು ಮಿಶ್ರಿತ ನೀಲಿ ಬಣ್ಣದಿಂದ ಸಿಂಗಾರಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಅದರ ಸುತ್ತ ತಾಮ್ರ ಮಿಶ್ರಿತ ಬಂಗಾರ ವರ್ಣದ ಉಂಗುರ ಚಮಕಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಈ ಗರಿಯ ನೋಟ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಸೆಳೆಯುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನವಿಲನ್ನು ಸಾವಿರ ಕಣ್ಣುಳ್ಳ ಸಹಸ್ರಾಕ್ಷ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. So karayuttare means called, gari means feather, mishrita is mix, tamra is copper and bangara is gold, seleyu means to attract. So the peacock also has different names. The names are Mayura, Shiki, Sahasraksha. So people call peacock other than Navilu with all these names as well. Mayura, Shiki and Sahasraksha. Then Navilu gariyalli holapulla kannide. This we already saw in this paragraph, that feather has a eye-like shape design in the feather. So it has a shining eye. Then adu hasiru mishrita neeli bannadallide. And how is that eye thing, the shape of the eye, the pattern which is in the shape of a eye on the feather, it is green mixed blue color. The color is green mixed blue. So you can, if you see, it will be in this design. Okay, it will be in this design, and it will be in greenish mixed blue color, and it will have a small ring kind around it. Okay, so that is explained here. Tamra mishrita bangara varnada ungura. Ungura means like a finger ring. So it has a copper mixed golden color ring around that eye. Each of the feather has a shape. Okay, it has a pattern like a eye. That eye is green mixed blue color, and around it there is a ring which is copper mixed golden color. Then ee gariya nota manassannu seleyuttade, and this feather, the peacock feather, is very attractive. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನವಿಲನ್ನು ಸಾವಿರ ಕಣ್ಣುಳ್ಳ ಸಹಸ್ರಾಕ್ಷ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. So it has like this pattern. It has thousands of patterns like this on its feather or on its wings. So that is the reason it is called as savira kannu, means thousands of eyes. The bird having thousands of eyes, so the name is Sahasraksha. That is why it has got that name Sahasraksha. Next, ಕವಿಗಳು ಅದರ ರೂಪ ಲಾವಣ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮನಸೋತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅನೇಕರು ಕವಿತೆ ರಚಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಸೌಂದರ್ಯದ ಸಂಕೇತ. ಆದ ಕಾರಣವೇ ಇದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಎಂಬ ಗೌರವ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಹಿಂಸಿಸುವುದು, ಕೊಲ್ಲುವುದು ಅಪರಾಧವಾಗಿದೆ. ರೂಪ ಲಾವಣ್ಯ means beauty and grace. ಮನಸೋತಿದ್ದಾರೆ means they are so attracted to the beauty. All kavi is poets. All the poets are attracted to the beauty and grace of the peacock, and because of that they have written lot of poems. Anekaru kavite rachisiddare. Many poets are attracted to the beauty and grace of the peacock, and so they have also written lot of poems about peacocks. Idu saundaryada sanketa. So it is a symbol of beauty. Peacock is a symbol of beauty, and for this reason it is our national bird. Rashtra Pakshi means national bird. Yemba Gaurava Hondide. It has got the honor of being called as our national bird. And so since it is a national bird, so we have to protect all our national symbols, right? Like our national flag. All this has to be protected. We should not try to destroy it. Okay, so this is because this is a national bird, we should not torture or kill it. That is considered as a crime. Okay, so you can be punished if you torture or kill a peacock. Navilu Shanmukana Vahana. Navilu gari Murali Mohanana Juttina Alankaravu Ahudu. Navilina Narthana ಕಂಡ ಕಲಾವಿದರು ಮಯೂರ ನಾಟ್ಯವೆಂಬ ಕಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರವನ್ನೇ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನವಿಲಿನ ಕುಣಿತ ನಯನ ಮನೋಹರ. ಹೆಣ್ಣಿಗಿಲ್ಲದ ರೂಪ ಗಂಡಿಗಿದೆ. ಇದೇ ನವಿಲಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ. ಹೆಣ್ಣು ನವಿಲು ಪುಕ್ಕಗಳು ಚಿಕ್ಕವು. So Vahana means vehicle, Juttu means hair, and Alankara is decoration. Kala Prakara, dance form. Srishti is create. Gandu is male. Vishesha is speciality. Pukka is feathers, and Chikkavu is small. So it is also Lord Shanmuka's vehicle. Navilu, the peacock is also Lord Shanmuka's vehicle. And the feather, the peacock feather is also used to decorate Lord Krishna's hair. Murali Mohana means Krishna, God Krishna. So the feather is also used to decorate Krishna's hair. ನವಿಲಿನ ನರ್ತನ ಕಂಡು ಕಲಾವಿದರು ಮಯೂರ ನಾಟ್ಯವೆಂಬ ಕಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರವನ್ನೇ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So people watching the dance of the peacock have created a new dance form called as Natya Mayura Natya. Okay, they have created a new dance form. Looking at the way the peacock was dancing, inspired by the peacock's dance, people have created a new dance form called as Mayura Natya. Then the dance Navilina Kunita Nayana Manohara means the dance of the peacock is so attractive to our eyes. We are so attracted when we see a peacock dancing. Then Hennigillada Rupa Gandigide. So usually female birds look pretty or beautiful, but in this case a peacock is a male bird. Okay, so the male looks more attractive and more nice and beautiful than a female bird, because the female bird's feathers are small, and this is the speciality of peacocks, that the male bird is looking more attractive. That is the speciality of peacocks. Then ನವಿಲು ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಭಾರತ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನವಿಲಿನ ಬಣ್ಣ ನೀಲಿ ಛಾಯೆ. ಜಾವಾ ಮತ್ತು ಮಯನ್ಮಾರ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಸಿರು ಛಾಯೆ ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತವೆ. ಇವು ಹಿಂಡಾಗಿ ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತವೆ. ಇವು 15 ವರ್ಷ ಜೀವಿಸಬಲ್ಲವು. ಗುಡ್ಡದ ಹುಲ್ಲುಗಾವಲುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ನದಿ, ಕೆರೆ, ಹೊಳೆ, ಹಳ್ಳ ಇರುವವಲ್ಲಿ ಇವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇರುತ್ತವೆ. So Jagattu means world, Pradesha is regions, Vasisu is to live, Neeli Chaye means blue color, blue shade. Then Hasiru is green, Hindu means group, Jeevisaballavu means that's the lifespan. Hullugavalu is grasslands, Hole is river, and Hechu is more. So the peacocks are found in almost all regions of the world. They live in almost all regions of the world. Then in India and Sri Lanka, you will find the blue shaded peacocks more. And in Java and Myanmar, you will find green shaded peacocks more. Peacocks usually live in groups and they have a lifespan of 15 years. Then you can see them in grasslands, hilly grasslands, and also near water bodies. They are found more near water bodies like river, lake. Okay, so all the lake, pond, all these water bodies, the peacocks will be found more in number. Then ನವಿಲು ನೋಡಲು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರವೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ಸಿಪಾಯಿ, ಉಪಕಾರಿಯೂ ಹೌದು. ಇದು ರೈತ ಮಿತ್ರ. ಬೆಳೆದ ಫಸಲಿಗೆ ಕೀಟಬಾಧೆ ತಗಲದಂತೆ ಬೆಳೆಗಳ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ, ಕೀಟಗಳನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತದೆ. ನವಿಲು ಇರುವ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾವುಗಳು ಸುಳಿಯಲಾರವು. Okay, so just like how beautiful the peacock is, it is also as much as however beautiful it is, that much disciplined also it is. It is also very helpful. It is called the farmer's friend. Peacocks are called as farmer's friends because they make sure that no insects go and attack the crops. They eat all the insects, and the place where peacocks are, there will be no traces of any snakes around. Okay, so peacock, it is beautiful, it is disciplined, and it is also very helpful to the farmers.